Touch him. Pet him. Pet him. Pet him.
Like that?
He likes you to pet him.
Like that? It doesn't want to fly away.
He doesn't want to fly away. He likes you.
Maybe he doesn't like my sister.
Wait.
I told you I'm a bird.
Let sister touch it. Go touch the bird.
Expert.
You're a bird expert?
Yes.
Oh. He likes you, Zoe, bird expert. Yes.
He's dancing. Look.
Ha, he's mad.
He's
Birdie.
not.
Are you mad at Zoe, Birdie? Touch him again. What's up, Birdie? Good, Birdie. Touch the birdie, Jazzy. Your turn. Touch the birdie. You afraid?
I'm just gonna sit down right here until you wait.
Birdie.